Magnettrack technology provides non-contact, high-precision, fail-safe positioning of overhead cranes, both indoors and outdoors. The magnetostrictive principle of the system operation allows obtaining a stable coordinate of the bridge and the crane trolley at any weather and industrial conditions. Rain, snow, ice, fog, dust, any type of industrial pollution, including those containing metallized particles, vibrations and shock loads, chemically aggressive media. Operating temperature range from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. The positioning accuracy depends on the type and design of the crane and can reach several hundred microns. The positioning distance of the crane bridge is almost unlimited and can reach several tens of kilometers. Positioning of the crane bridge. All types and modes of Magnettrack systems are available for crane bridge positioning. Continuous positioning. Absolute systems. When starting an absolute positioning system, the coordinate is available at any point on the track. Absolute positioning is used for full automation of crane, anti-collision and zoning systems, bridge skew control, as well as for the design of other critical automated systems. Magnettrack offers two types of absolute continuous positioning systems. Absolute systems on position markers. The position marker is a single magnet in a protective housing. Systems of this type require the placement of markers along the track according to a predetermined pattern with tolerances specified in the system passport. Tracks and position markers are reliable, fault-tolerant, have a minimum value of spare parts, and low cost. Absolute systems on interval markers. An interval marker is a product that combines 2 or 3 magnets in a single housing and has a unique magnetic signature. Systems of this type have excellent flexibility and allow you to bypass obstacles when installing magnetic marking. They are also recommended in cases where it is possible to install markers evenly on pre-existing mounting positions. Adaptive incremental systems are built on markers of the two types mentioned above, interval and position. It is an ideal choice for systems with semi-automatic overhead cranes, such as warehouse management. The system receives the starting coordinate at the moment of reading the signature of interval markers. Continuity of coordinate between interval markers is supported by incremental sections based on casual set of position markers. Adaptive incremental systems have maximum installation flexibility, allow you to build a magnetic track of any length with a minimum marker set. Systems of this type are recommended to use where there are mounting restrictions on the size of the magnetostrictive transducer placed on the crane bridge. All continuous positioning systems are built on the same patented software innovation super adaptive core based on machine learning methods. 4 software algorithms work as a whole, complementing each other to provide highly accurate and stable object coordinate in all conditions. Discrete positioning. Adaptive incremental systems without incremental sections are positioning of the discrete type, that is, positioning of the crane bridge on separate sections of the track. Ideal for multi-tire and pallet racking systems, crane positioning over individual sections or workshop areas, etc. Positioning of the crane trolley. For positioning the crane trolley, all the same types and modes of Magnettrack systems are available as for the crane bridge. However, In view of the relatively small positioning distance and the ability to place markers at any point on the track, absolute type systems based on position markers are the standard solution. Magnettrack technology has a full range of solutions for any task of positioning overhead cranes in any industrial environment.